नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं रोहित साकले आपका साकले टेक ट्यूटोरियल चैनल पर स्वागत करता हूं। यह मेरी फर्स्ट ट्यूटोरियल सीरीज़ है जिसमें हम कोर जावा पढ़ेंगे और समझेंगे। यह इस सीरीज़ का सेकंड वीडियो रहेगा जिसमें हम जावा के फीचर्स के बारे में समझेंगे। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। ऑब्जेक्ट ओरिएंटेड इट इज़ अ प्रोग्रामिंग मेथोडोलॉजी which provides some rules। इन रूल्स के हेल्प से सॉफ्टवेयर का डेवलपमेंट और मेंटेनेंस इजी हो जाता है। These rules are ऑब्जेक्ट, क्लास, इनहेरिटेंस, पॉलीमॉर्फिज्म, एब्स्ट्रैक्शन एंड इनकैप्सुलेशन। हम इन सभी रूल्स को अपने आने वाले वीडियोस में डिटेल में पढ़ेंगे। सिंपल Java programming language is very easy to learn and understand because its syntax is simple, clean and easy. Secure Java is best known for its security. There are many reasons for its securities. First, no explicit pointers. Second is Java program runs inside a virtual machine. Third is class loader. Fourth is white code verifier. And fifth is security manager. Java provides this security by default. Some security is also provided by a developer explicitly using cryptography, SSL, etc. Platform independent. Java is platform independent because it is different from other languages like C and C++, which are compiled into platform specific machines. But Java is write once, run anywhere language. C and C++ language compile and generate machine code, while Java compiler provides a white code which can be run on any machine. Robust. Robustness is one of the effective feature of Java language which make it strong to the other programming language. It uses strong memory management. Java uses automatic garbage collection which runs in Java virtual machine to remove object which is no longer in use by a Java application. There is lack of pointer which avoids security problems too. Also there is an exception handling and type checking mechanism in Java which makes Java robust. Portable. The main reason behind the creation of Java was to bring portability and security to a computer. Whenever the Java code is compiled, the compiler generates the white code. Now the white code that are generated by a compiler are safe and can be run on any machine that has JVM installed. White code is the key that makes the Java language more secure and portable. Architectural neutral. Unlike many other programming languages including C, C++, when Java is compiled, it is not compiled into platform specific machine. It gives platform independent white code. This white code is distributed and interpreted by the virtual machine on whichever platform it being run on. When you write a piece of Java code in a particular platform and generate an executable code, you can execute or run this code on any system. The only condition is that the targeted system should have JVM installed in it. It means Java compiler generates an architectural neutral object file format which makes the compiled code executable on many processors with the presence of Java runtime system. Dynamic. Java is called as a dynamic language because it supports a dynamic loading of classes. It means classes are loaded on demand. It also supports functions from its native languages. Java supports dynamic compilation and automatic memory management. Interpreted. A Java is both compiled and interpreted language. Java compiler first compiles the source code and convert it into a bytecode. Interpreter in Java is a computer program that converts high-level programming statement into assembly-level language. Interpreter reads bytecode line by line and convert it into machine understandable form. High performance. Java is faster than other traditional interpreted programming language because Java bytecode is close to native code. Second reason is that it also uses JIT compiler. Multi-threaded. A thread is like a separate program execute concurrently. In simple way, multi-threading enables to execute multiple programs at a time. Distributed. Java is distributed because it allows a developer to develop distributed application in Java. Java software may run on multiple systems. Bytecode play a main role in distributed system. This bytecode can run on any platform which has a JVM installed. Thanks.